Do you want to know how you can change your account settings on your 1xBet account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your account settings on 1xBet. Go ahead and open 1xBet.com on any of your browser and log into your account. After that, you can see this type of interface on your screen. Now what you need to do is click on settings, which is right beside my account, and you can see that your account settings might not be available here. So if it's not there, just hover around my account and click on account settings, and then it will take you to the official portal of account settings of 1xBet. You can see on the left hand side you are currently on account settings. Scroll a bit down and you can see your account settings over here. You can log out of all your browsers if you click log out, and you can see the account settings over here. So some of the options are show balance on top of panel. You can enable or disable it. You can disable the 1x zone option or enable it as well. And you can see that there is option of email login and QR code login as well, so you can enable or disable it according to your wish. So this is how you change your account settings. Go to account settings over here, scroll a bit down, and under the account setting options there are something like show balance up top panel, disable 1x zone, email login, QR code login, so you can enable or disable it according to your wish and necessity. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.